Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am on day 21. I cannot believe that 3 weeks of December have gone by like that. And I get to open another gift from my Advent calendar that I'm doing with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, J Dolls UK, and Beth Ramsden. And what we did is we each sent one another 8 gifts. 8 times 3 is 24, which gave us gifts for December 1st through the 24th. Look at this. There's just a couple left. All right, let's pull one out from Beth because there's 2 of those left. Oh. Wait a minute. I'm so excited. I'm making a mess here. I got my little chubby girl in her little Mrs. Santa Claus outfit. She doesn't have her apron on right now. Oh, Beth. Oh, thank you very much. Isn't that cute? Look at these snaps that Beth uses. They're like really flat. I don't know where she gets those, but I'd like to find out. Thank you so much. I love this whimsical print on this Christmas skirt. I just love it. That's one thing I like about Blythe dolls. With Barbie dolls, you have to have a tiny, tiny print. With Blythe dolls, you don't. It's actually cute with the bigger print. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.